Hi, I'm Chris Bolden, and welcome to Atomic Training's Introduction to Effective Presentation Techniques. This workshop is going to focus on some general recommended practices for designing the visual presentation of information. The workshop isn't tied to a certain application or technology because effective presentation is less about the technology and a lot more about the presenter and the content. We've got plenty of great training on how to use presentation applications like PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Presentations, and Prezi here at Atomic Training. So feel free to jump over and check that training out as you encounter interesting concepts here in the workshop. I promise, I'll be here when you get back. Effective presentation technique isn't some hidden art. I'm not here to tell you some secret information. I would like to share some things with you that I've found to be helpful in my own presentation experiences, as well as point you to some super cool folks that I look to when I'm considering improving my own technique. There are a bunch of great resources out there, and I'll mention a few of them periodically. Note that none of the awesome presenters I mentioned specifically endorses me, Atomic Training, or this workshop. I highly recommend that you bookmark their blogs, buy their books, or whatever else you need to do so you can refer back to them when you need to. Don't worry about trying to write down every single word I say. The downloadable resource for this workshop has the stuff I'm talking about plus all the resources I used and referenced. There's no such thing as an exhaustive course on presentation design, but I hope these concepts will give you a good starting point for your own presentations and lead you to ask more specific questions about how best to represent your information to your intended audience. Thanks, and let's get started.